The VEVOR 7-in-1 Toddler Gym is a versatile indoor playset that offers a wide range of activities like climbing, swinging, and balancing, providing endless fun for children. Crafted from high-strength carbon steel, this gym is built to last, featuring a scratch and wear-resistant finish that ensures durability and easy maintenance. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds, the gym can accommodate both children and adults, making it a fantastic choice for family bonding and shared playtime. The diverse components, including a pull-up bar, gym rings, and a rope ladder, help in enhancing children's physical strength, coordination, and confidence through active play. Designed with easy installation in mind, this gym can be effortlessly set up in various settings, such as bedrooms or preschools, adding to its adaptability and convenience. Besides promoting physical activity, the gym encourages children to challenge themselves, fostering personal growth and development through engaging and safe play.